Good morning, class. I wanted to make a quick video to show you how to get into and complete your Learn Smart assignment. It is now active for week 1. I was having trouble getting it to download into Moodle. So you're going to go to our Moodle page and scroll down under week 1, and you will see this assignment link into Connect. Go ahead and get into that. You may have to log in. You're not gonna see this, but you will see. You will go to the tab to open. It should look something like this. All right, it is due on Monday night. Should take about 45 minutes to complete, and you can either start reading your material or start questions. I would suggest that you start reading and skim through as much as you can of the stuff. The things that are in yellow are the most important things, and so make sure that, and there are also, this is your textbook, so you may have already seen this. There are also videos that you can watch if you have time to do so, but the things that are in yellow are the most important things. I'm going to go to questions now. All right, so you're going to make progress by completing these concepts, and depending on how well you do on the questions is depending on how many questions you are given. If you get questions wrong, then it's going to keep asking you questions until you get enough right. Okay, so you have to answer 25 questions to complete this this assignment. Okay, so you'll see this bar. The more questions you answer right, you'll see it complete. So you're going to answer each question based on the reading. You're going to place the following steps in order, describing how sound is created and heard, with the first step at the top. All right, and so you can there are instructions on how to complete that. All right, and then once you complete it, then you can rate your confidence level. If it's very low, it may take you to the reading concept here. Okay, if you don't do well on the question, then you want to read about it and make sure that you understand it. Okay, and so once you get this whole bar full, then your assignment will be completed and you will get 100% on this particular assignment for this week. Okay, going back here, looking here, you have all of these assignments to do for week 1, the Learn Smart, Young Person's Guide, Stravinsky, and then the Instrument of Voices, Ellington, and then your quiz. Do not take your quiz until you finish your Learn Smart assignment. Your Learn Smart is where you're going to learn the information each week. As you learn the information, then you're going to understand what's going on in each one of these things as well. Okay? And that's going to happen every week. Please start with this activity. These activities are worth 20% of your total grade. I've had students that have just totally ditched this type of assignment every week. And then, in the course of the semester, they don't complete listening assignments, they miss a test, they miss a few quizzes, they don't do their timeline, and literally they flunk my class. So please start with your Learn Smart assignments every week. It will also take you to the reading, as well as you have the option of switching over to questions or back to reading. And so there, you can go back and read about these things that you're being asked questions over. If you have to exit this assignment, go ahead and exit. Your information will be saved, okay? And so you can come back to it and your concept should still be there. Every week, your best attempt will be synced into your grade book. And let's see, I think there was one more thing I wanted to say. Oh, after the due date, because this is due, it's telling you when it's due, and everything up here, this is a list of everything that's due by the 16th. Okay, here is your Learn Smart right here. I'm going to take this off because it's now showing in Moodle. But this will show up as a 0% if you miss the deadline. If you go back into Connect to try to complete the Learn Smart after the 16th, you will see 0%. There's nothing I can do about that except to give you an extension. Remember, my late work policy states it's 10% off per day. Okay, and so I'm going to put in any extensions for 10% off per day if you complete this after the 16th. That's the best that I can do, but it will show up as a 0 if I don't get the extension put in. Please let me know if you have any questions about this assignment. Please make it a priority every week to start there. Do not jump into the listening assignments before you've completed the reading and or the Learn Smart. Okay? I will get this video posted and write a thing about this in announcements right now. So hopefully this will help you to complete your assignments for week 1. Hope you're having a great day, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.